northeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northampton, or near Allentown, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, poles, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem, Northampton, Allentown, Nazareth, Leamington, Bath, Walnutport, Coffeetown, Dealsville, Lehigh University, Conshohocken, Fountainville, Kilkenny, North Conshohocken, Freemansburg, Chapman, Fullerton, and Holcomb-Tapua. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 57 and 64. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 52 and 54, and between mile markers 64 and 69. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lehigh and Northampton.